Welcome, audiophiles and cinephiles alike. If you've ever found yourself turning up the volume only to be disappointed by a lackluster sound experience, fear not. It's time to upgrade to an AV receiver that won't just meet your expectations, but will set them soaring. In this video, we'll navigate through the jungle of specifications, features, and gadgets that promise to transform your living room into a cinematic wonderland. So grab your popcorn and your remote, because we're about to dive into the world of the best AV receivers that will make your neighbors both envy and fear your audio prowess. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5, Sony STR-DH590, our pick for best budget AV receiver. Are you ready to dive headfirst into the world of home theater but feeling a tad overwhelmed? Fear not, my fellow audiophile in training. The Sony STR-DH590 is here to save the day, or at least your Saturday movie nights. This little gem is designed with beginners like you in mind, loaded with features that won't make your head spin. Think of it as the friendly guide to surround sound without the intimidating jargon. With 5 speaker channels at your disposal, you can easily spice up your living room ambiance with some sleek side or rear speakers. Trust me, your friends will think you're a sound wizard. And let's not forget the full 4K pass-through, ensuring your visuals are as stunning as your audio. Now, while the STR-DH590 won't compete with the sonic heavyweight champions like the Denon AVR-S 540BT, it brings enough precision and detail to keep you glued to your screen with excitement. Just a heads up, pairing it with those towering floor-standing speakers might lead to a sound struggle. Opt for some snazzy satellite or bookshelf speakers instead, and you'll be in sonic bliss. So if you want a chill pathway to surround sound glory without breaking the bank, the Sony STR-DH590 is your trusty sidekick. Get ready to impress yourself and dazzle your guests. Number 4, Denon AVRX2800H, our pick for best 7.2 AV receiver. Surround sound has come a long way from its humble beginnings in 5.1 configurations. Now, with immersive setups like 7.2 and advanced audio formats such as Dolby Atmos, your living room can transform into your personal cinema. Enter the Denon AVRX2800H, your new audio BFF. With a hearty 90 watt per channel, this receiver isn't just flexing muscle. It's fully equipped to support all the sonic goodness you can imagine. Think Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, and even DTS Virtual X for those cozy evenings when you prefer a bit of spatial magic without the full speaker setup. But wait, there's more. The AVRX2800H is not just about thrilling sound. It comes with a buffet of connections: HDMI, RCA, optical audio, coaxial, you name it. Got a vinyl collection? You'll swoon over the built-in phono preamp that pairs perfectly with your turntable. And if you're worried about visuals, fear not. This baby supports 8K 60Hz and 4K 120Hz pass-through, plus the latest HDR formats. Your Netflix binges and gaming marathons are about to get a serious glow-up. Feeling fancy? You can wirelessly connect through Apple AirPlay, Bluetooth, and HEOS and make it a part of your smart home. Just remember, if you crave that next-level audio experience, consider the Denon AVRX 3800H. More channels, more excitement. It's worth the investment. Still searching for the perfect AV receiver? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3, Sony STR-1000. Our pick for best AV receiver for gaming. While you might immediately think of Sony as the PlayStation 5's biggest fan club, let's not forget their epic legacy in personal audio. Enter the STR-1000 AV receiver, your new gaming sidekick that's ready to elevate your home entertainment game. This little powerhouse is no slouch, offering a glorious 4K video experience at 120 Hz through its HDMI 2.1 ports. So whether you're blasting through 60 frame per second games or gearing up for those demanding next-gen titles on your PS5 or Xbox Series X, you'll be strutting into battle in style. But let's talk about what really matters: sound. With support for Dolby Atmos and a setup that accommodates 7 speakers and 2 subwoofers, the STR-1000 transforms your gaming rig into an audio wonderland. Forget the plain Jane. You'll be enveloping yourself in worlds where the sound literally surrounds you. Sure, it skips the radio tuner and phono input, but it's all about embracing the future. With wireless streaming via Apple's AirPlay 2, Google's Chromecast, and compatibility with Sonos devices, consider yourself officially upgraded. So, whether you're grinding through the latest game, streaming your binge-worthy shows, or indulging in 4K Blu-ray treasures, the STRN 1000 is here to guarantee you're more deeply connected to your entertainment than ever before. Get ready to immerse yourself. Number 2. Yamaha RX-B4A, our pick for best AV receiver for wireless surround speakers. Navigating the world of wireless home theater systems can sometimes feel like trying to find your way out of a labyrinth, especially when it comes to those pesky compatibility issues. You know the drill. Sonos speakers don't play nice with most AV receivers, and Denon's HEOS? Well, let's just say it can lead to some hair-pulling moments, but fear not, because Yamaha is here to save the day with the RX-B4A receiver. This little powerhouse is your best bet for a seamless wireless surround sound experience, specially designed to integrate flawlessly with Yamaha's MusicCast 20, 50, and sub-100 speakers. Sure, it doesn't support fancy feats like Dolby Atmos or DTS:X, but who needs those when you're cutting the cord in style? The RX-B4A comfortably outperforms rivals, like the Denon AVR-S 960H when it comes to wireless audio connectivity, leaving you free from lumpy cables and clutter. Let's talk about looks. This baby has a sleek, modern design that'll elevate your home theater setup to chic status. Just keep in mind that while it struts its stuff with style, it might feel a tad plasticky. And while the sound is quite good for most ears, don't expect it to match the rich sound profiles from Denon. So whether you're going wired or wireless, the RX-B4A makes it easy, especially if you're embracing the wireless life. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest on the market. Number 1, Denon AVR-S 760H, our pick for best AV receiver overall. If you're on the hunt for the holy grail of AV receivers that won't leave your wallet crying, say hello to the Denon AVR-S 760H. This beauty isn't just another pretty face. It's got the sound quality that'll have you feeling like you're front row at a concert, and the feature set that would make even the tech-savvy nod in approval. Ready to dive into a cinematic universe with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X surround sound? Or are you the kind of music lover who can't live without Bluetooth and Spotify Connect? Lucky for you, the AVR-S 760H has got you covered on all fronts. Sure, it may not have the latest gimmick of Chromecast, which may raise an eyebrow or two, but you're not just buying a tech gadget, you're investing in an experience. This receiver continues to outperform newer, pricier models like a seasoned pro at a karaoke contest. Think of the Denon AVR-S 760H as that dependable friend who always shows up to movie night with the good snacks. It's intuitive, easy to use, and ready to elevate your entertainment game. With this receiver in your setup, you'll transform movie marathons and jam sessions into epic events. So why wait? Level up your audio experience today. Your ears will thank you later. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best AV receivers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which AV receiver you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching.